Wooden features in kitchen design are more than just a trend. They are a timeless choice that brings warmth, elegance, and a natural feel to the heart of your home. But how do you blend these wooden features into your kitchen? Use wooden features in your kitchen by incorporating wooden cabinets, a hardwood floor, or a butcher block countertop. Add wooden open shelving for a rustic touch, and wooden bar stools for functional, stylish seating. We'll explore how to use wooden features effectively in your kitchen, covering everything from cabinetry and countertops to flooring and decorative accents. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or just looking to add a few wooden touches, this article will provide you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to create a space that is both beautiful and functional. Types of wood and their benefits. Various types of wood can be used in kitchen design, each with its own unique characteristics. From the hardness and longevity of hardwoods to the sustainability and unique grain patterns of softer woods. Here's a brief overview of various types of wood and their benefits. Oak, known for its strength and durability. Oak is often used for flooring and cabinetry. It has a distinctive grain and is highly resistant to wear and tear. Maple, a hardwood with a fine, consistent grain, making it a popular choice for kitchen cabinets and butcher blocks. It's less expensive than some other hardwoods and is known for its light color and smooth finish. Cherry, valued for its rich, warm color that deepens over time. Cherry wood is often used in fine furniture and cabinetry. It's moderately hard and has a smooth, satiny finish. Walnut, known for its deep, rich color and grain. It's a strong hardwood that's often used in high-end furniture. Walnut is less common and more expensive, but is prized for its beauty and longevity. Pine, a softer wood with a rustic, knotty appearance. It's less expensive and is often used for country or cottage-style kitchen designs. Pine is more prone to dents and scratches, but adds a warm, natural feel. Bamboo, technically a grass, but it's often grouped with hardwoods. Bamboo is eco-friendly, highly renewable, and has a unique, modern look. It's strong and is used for flooring, cabinetry, and cutting boards. Teak, known for its extreme durability and water resistance. It's often used in outdoor furniture, but can also be used in kitchens for a luxurious look. Teak is expensive, but highly resistant to rot and decay. Birch, a strong, fine-grained wood that's often used in furniture and cabinetry. It's less expensive than cherry or walnut, but offers a similar look. Birch takes stains well, allowing for a variety of finishes. How to use wooden features in your kitchen. Wooden features can transform a kitchen from a mere cooking area into a warm and inviting space. The key is to know how to incorporate these features in a way that balances aesthetics and functionality. Wooden cabinets. Natural wood cabinets. Choose woods like oak, maple, or cherry for a warm, natural look. The grain patterns in these woods add visual interest and a touch of nature. Painted wood cabinets. For a more modern or cohesive look, painted wooden cabinets can be a great choice. Popular colors include white, gray, or blue, offering a clean and fresh appearance while maintaining the wooden texture. Mix and match. Consider combining natural and painted wood cabinets for a dynamic and layered design. Hardwood flooring. Durability and types. Hardwood floors are known for their longevity. Oak, maple, and hickory are popular choices due to their durability and appearance. Finish options. Choose from a variety of finishes, from glossy to matte, to complement your kitchen style. A matte finish can offer a more contemporary look, while a glossy finish feels traditional. Care and maintenance. Regular sweeping and occasional polishing are essential to maintaining the beauty of hardwood floors. Wooden countertops. Butcher block. Butcher block countertops provide a warm, inviting surface and are ideal for food preparation. Regular oiling is necessary to maintain their beauty and functionality. Other wood options. Consider walnut, teak, or acacia for a unique look. Each wood type offers different colors and grain patterns. Sealing and protection. Proper sealing is crucial to protect the wood from moisture and stains, especially around sinks. Open shelving. Material and style choices. Select from a variety of woods and finishes to match or contrast with your cabinetry. Reclaimed wood shelves can add a rustic charm. Decorative and functional use. Arrange dishes, cookbooks, or decorative items on the shelves. This can also make items more accessible. Installation tips. Ensure shelves are properly mounted and supported, especially if you plan to store heavier items. Wooden beams or accents. Exposed beams. Exposed wooden beams can enhance a kitchen's character, especially in homes with a country or rustic aesthetic. Accent pieces. Wooden chair rails, baseboards, or crown molding can subtly incorporate wood into your kitchen without overwhelming it. Staining and painting. Choose a stain or paint that complements or contrasts with other wooden elements for a cohesive look. Wooden backsplash. Unique appeal. Wooden backsplashes offer a unique and warm alternative to traditional tile. Reclaimed wood or wooden planks can be used for this purpose. Sealing and maintenance. It's important to properly seal the wood to protect it from moisture and make cleaning easier. Design options. Consider different patterns, such as horizontal or vertical alignment, to add visual interest. Wooden furniture. Matching or contrasting. Choose furniture that either matches your kitchen's wooden elements or provides a contrasting element for visual interest. Tables and chairs. A solid wood dining table can be a stunning centerpiece. Pair it with wooden chairs or benches for a cohesive look. Versatility. Wooden furniture can be refinished or painted over time to change the look of your kitchen without a complete remodel. Wooden accessories. Functional decor. Wooden cutting boards, spoons, or knife blocks are not only useful, but also add a natural element to your kitchen's decor. Decorative items. Wooden frames, planters, or bowls can be used to add a touch of nature to your kitchen. Consider placement. Strategically place these items to create focal points or to balance the wooden elements throughout the kitchen. Balancing these wooden elements with other materials like metal, glass, or stone can create a well-rounded and aesthetically pleasing kitchen design. Remember, the goal is to create a warm and inviting space that reflects your personal style.